Okay, so I got on Amazon, I searched and researched, and I found a set of golf clubs. If you saw my last video, I was driving around looking for inexpensive, cheap golf clubs. Well, I couldn't find them. I went to thrift stores, I went to Dick's, I went to Walmart. Anyways, so I got on Amazon and I found these clubs. I found them and I went, used YouTube and reviewed them, and people have nothing but good things to say about them. They are quite a bit more than what I wanted to invest as a first set, but I had to invest. You know, if I'm gonna do this or take this seriously, I had to invest. Golf's not cheap, so let's open it up. There it is. I went with the Vice 10-piece Boost starter set. So these will be the clubs I will be learning and perfecting my game of golf. Let's see what's in the box. There it is. That's actually a really nice bag. That's actually a really, really nice bag. All right, we've got the driver. Ooh, it's got some cool, almost like leather pleather covers. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm not going to pretend. Cool. So it comes with the driver. I would imagine that's important to have. Comes with a hybrid. Feels nice. Oh, that's it. It doesn't have like a 3-wood or anything. All right. It is a starter set. I paid after tax, came out to $600 for this set. I know. But it came in highly reviewed. These are the graphite shafts. So we've got a 7-iron. Putter. I think they call that, I'm not sure, a blade putter. Anyways, we'll go deeper into it. I'm just unboxing this thing. It's got a nice, I like these covers. They're real nice. So anyway, so I got the 7-iron. It looks like I've got a eight-iron. 9-iron. Oh wait. Yeah, that is a 9-iron, not a 6-iron. And then I think this is, yep, this is a pitching wedge. And then this is the 6-iron. So I've got a 6, 7, 8, 9 in irons, and I think this is the sand wedge. Yep. And a sandwich. So that's a decent, so I think that's a decent starter set. The bag's nice. Got a little rain cover. Plenty of space in the pockets. It's got a little pocket here. So we've got, and then we've got a really big pocket right here. So it's in case you need to put like a coat or something in there. So it's got 1, 2, 3 main pockets. And it's light. This is actually really, really light. It's got the little kind of backpack strap. Already thrown my clubs and I haven't played around with sandwich. All right, so I bought the clubs. I also had to buy a few other things. Okay, so I had to get some balls. These came in highly rated. They're soft feel, so great for beginners like me. They're the Shrixin or Shrixin, not sure how you pronounce it. But it's 2 dozen. I picked them up for like $32, which is actually a pretty good deal for decent golf balls. So I got those. I had to get some shoes, so I got these. I got a few other things. Anyways, got these Adidas. They were on sale on Amazon. I thought they were cool. I like Adidas. And then I had the State brand. Whoa. Got one of these too. Divot fixer-upper. Plus it's got a ball marker thing. Okay. Glove. Vice glove. Just like the Vice clubs. Got like 100 tees. They're wood tees. There's like so many options, but I guess these Pride Sport tees are great. Also got a towel for the bag. Vice towel. So yeah, so I'm having fun. I figured if I'm doing this, I'm doing it. I tried finding cheap golf sets, and if you saw the last video, I saw those ones at Walmart. It's like $250, and it was some off-brand name, and I have no idea like the quality or anything. But I found these Vice clubs, and yeah, there was a bunch of like professionals that were showing how to use them, or if they were quality, or if they were good enough. And everybody said it was a quality set of golf clubs. I think it was like $550 on Amazon. Like I said, I paid $600 with tax. And then between balls, glove, all these little extras, that was like another $150. So for $750, I'm ready to go play golf. I've got clubs, I've got some decent shoes, I've got some tools, I got balls. So I think I did all right. So anyways, so this is it. So yeah, so these are the clubs. I'm pretty stoked. They feel quality. I still have to take off all the plastic that's on there. And yeah, and we'll see where this journey goes. I mean, it's golf. How hard can it be? You just hit the ball, you try to get it into the hole in as few strokes as possible. Easy stuff. All right, that's all I got. I just wanted to show you the new golf set, and yeah, this is like the continuation of the last video. So hopefully the next video I will be out on the course hitting some balls.